So today I'll be doing a Euphoric makeup. So I kind of watched it on YouTube the other day and I really liked it. So I decided to get some things to do it. Hopefully it turns out good. Sorry guys, I look sick. I'm not sick. It's just the morning. It's horrible. I get that morning where like every morning I just feel very... And then I have to walk bugs in the cold, so it's so much. But let's check out this makeup look and see how I go. So we're going to go in with these colours. So this is my new Morphe palette. So some of you say Morphe, I think... But... So I'm going to go in with a bikini. Blue. Brilliant. Maybe smoothie and watermelon. We'll just see how that goes. And then I'm going to add some diamonds, rhinestones, around my eyelids. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it works out well. So I started with orange, and that is the brilliant one. And I'm just going to blend it in with a blending brush. So it's Morphe M433. If you can see it. And just see how I go from there. So now I'm going to use Bikini. It's a brighter pink, just on the crease. I was going to use the liner brush, whatever you call it, but this one I use mainly to draw the outline. And that is the M456. I don't know about you guys when you do your brushes and how you do them, but everyone does them differently. So I just do what, with what it works. Whatever. Just whatever. So I'm going to try and cut crease, which I'm alright at. I'm still learning it. So I'm just going to cut crease at the middle of my eyelids and see how I go from there. I'm trying to maybe add bubblegum or just add white and then bubblegum under my eye bubble. See how that goes. Hopefully it works. Over the cut crease, I'm going to concentrate, not look at the camera, but...
Bruh.
So I've cut crease in the middle of my eyelids. They actually turn out pretty well considering that I am only learning. But yeah, there you go. My eyelashes look like they're coming off already now. Oh, I just look dead. So I was going to add white in the middle of my eyelids where the cut crease is, but I thought it was a bit too white, so I decided to just add bubblegum, which is this color right here. It's like a baby pink. I actually really like it. And it's pigmented but not that pigmented, so it goes well with the pink as well. So we'll just put that in my crease. Love. So when I watched the other video of Euphoria, they used just this liquidy pink, which I don't have. I don't know where they got it from. They didn't really say it. And then they just went over with just normal eyeshadow. They didn't really do the whole eyeshadow look. And then they just added the rhinestones around their eyes. But I just wanted to do my own kind of thing to see how it would turn out. I've sprayed my face with Urban Decay. I'm going to let it set for a minute. I was going to put rhinestones on before my foundation, but then I thought I'm not going to do that because I'd probably knock it off on me. But we're going to start off with Too Faced Born This Way. It's my favourite at the moment. I was using NARS. Sometimes I mix them together. I probably will today. But I broke my NARS bottle. I will show you what I did. I don't know how it happened, but one morning I just opened it and it smashed, so not happy. So I can't even put it in my makeup box, we won't even talk about that. I'm going to grab my foundation and just chuck it on my face. I'm going to go in with concealer now. Last time I actually forgot the concealer, so this is light beige. This is my favourite for highlighting at the moment. Now I'm going to use, and I grabbed the wrong one again. I'm going to use multi sculpting concealer as well, but it's darker, to contour my face. Pink Ab Princess, it's my favorite Tarte contouring palette, and I go in with Princess Cut and Angle, and I just mix them two together, just these two, and you don't really need too much. Because it is that pigmented, see what I mean? I like cooler as well, but it's so dark, it is very, very rich. I was going to bed today with my Laura Mercier, but I thought I'd just grab this and just sit it under my eyes. So now that I'm done with my foundation and everything else, I'm going to stick a nice shimmery pink right under my eyelid. Oops, I nearly got that wrong. So I never used to wear eyeshadow with my makeup at all. I used to just do my foundation and maybe add like a little bronzer to my eyelid to make it that nice dark nude color. Then when everything happened with the pandemic, I just sat there for hours watching YouTube at night, seeing how they do it, and I kind of learned from them, but I kind of just taught myself and went with it. One day I got it right. I was like, wow, so I kind of use the same technique since, and I've still got a lot to learn, but I've done a lot better than what I used to do. I would never do my eyeshadow. I hated it. I didn't hate having eyeshadow on, I just hated doing it. I was like, I give up. So I never did it. And you kind of have to have the right brushes, which I didn't. And now I do, so it kind of works out. But we'll now put the rhinestones on and see how we go from there. I went in with the rhinestones on this eye, and it took forever. I'm telling you, it dropped that many times. I was screaming. It took me 20 times just to get them on there.
How could this happen to me?
I just pulled my eyelash. I put the rhinestone on. Here's the last look of the rhinestones. I've just put them on. It took me about 20 minutes. They kept falling off. I kept getting so annoyed. I was like staring at every rhinestone. I was so angry. They just wouldn't stick. One just fell off now. It sucks. It doesn't work. So guys, I finally put the rhinestones on. Some kept falling off, so I got pretty shitty at the freaking thing. Like, they wouldn't glue or anything. They just wouldn't stick, they just kept falling. But we're going to go in with lipstick now and then just do the final touches, and I'll show you what it looks like and how it turns out. I bought this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. It's pretty bright, but I always go for like the nudie colour, so I wanted to kind of try and, oh my god, my eyes are watering. But here's the colour. It's like soft pink matte lipstick, so we're going to go in with that. I might make it a little darker. It's a bit, how you going? I'm gonna go with my old Kylie Jenner, I think it's nude, I don't know, this writing was like foundation, whether it's that old. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that and see how it goes, just in the middle. Just to give it that, like it's not so, I don't wanna make it so bright. My lips are so dry today. I have a habit of just licking my lips. So every time I do my makeup, I'm like, why do you always have to lick your lips for? This is what happens, but I'm gonna put a gloss over it. I'm just gonna use just Carmex moisturizing lip balm. I bought this highlighter the other day, I think from Mecca, and I cannot tell you how much I love it. I did use Too Faced Sugar Peach, that's my favorite as well, but right now I'm using this. How pretty is it? I'm gonna go in with, where are you? I always lose my brushes. This is my favorite brush to highlight with. I just love it. It's just, I think it's just perfect because it doesn't use too much of it and doesn't make it look too highlighty, if you get what I mean. So. And there we go. So there's the look. Now I'm gonna get dressed and ready and do my hair and show you the final look. So here's my final look. I've done my hair. I've bobby pinned it in. The rhinestones actually stay on, surprisingly, but here is the look of Euphoria. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next vlog.